Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's learn airport and city codes. These are three-letter codes. These are unique codes given by ITA to each and every city around the world, each and every airport around the world. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. First we have Bahrain. So here you can see the location, Bahrain, east of Saudi Arabia into this near to Persian Gulf. We have Bahrain and Bahrain International Airport, BAH. It is in Muharrak Island near to Manama. Adjacent to Manama we have Bahrain, BAH for Bahrain, BAH for Bahrain. Then we have Dhaka, Dhaka in Bangladesh, DAC for Dhaka in Bangladesh. You can remember DAC for Dhaka in Bangladesh. Then we have Phnom Phnom Penh in Cambodia. We have Phnom Penh, PNH for Phnom Penh in Cambodia. Here we have the location Phnom Penh. East to Thailand, okay, we have Cambodia, and in Cambodia we have Phnom Penh, code is PNH. Then in China we have Peking Airport in Beijing, code is PEK. For Beijing we have BJS, and for Pudong Airport in Shanghai we have Pudong Airport PVG, and for Shanghai we have code SHG. Next we have Hong Kong, HKG for Hong Kong, SAR, HKG for Hong Kong. Taipei in Taiwan, we have TPE for Taipei. Next in India, we have DEL for Delhi, BOM for Mumbai, MAA for Chennai. We have MAA for Chennai. Next we have Jakarta, JKT for Jakarta in Indonesia. We have JKT. In Jakarta we have two airports. One is Halim Airport, okay, HLP for Halim Airport. Here you can see the location. And other we have CGK Airport in Jakarta. Jakarta is JKT. Next we have THR. THR for Tehran. We have THR for Tehran in Iran. You can see the location. Iran near to Iraq. We have Iran. South of Iran is Persian Gulf. Okay, it's in Middle East. You can see the location. After Tehran, we have Baghdad, BGW, Baghdad for BGW for Baghdad in Iraq. You can see the location of Iraq. Okay. Next we have Jerusalem or Jerusalem in Israel. JRS is the code. In Israel we also have Tel Aviv, TLV for Tel Aviv, TLV. After this, let's go to Japan. We have Tokyo, TYO for Tokyo, TYO. In Tokyo, we have two airports, Narita and RT for Narita Airport and RT, and HND for Haneda Airport, HND for Haneda Airport. Then we have Osaka in Japan, OSA for Osaka. Then Amman in Jordan, we have Amman, AMM, Jordan. Amman AMM. Let's move back to Japkor. We have Seoul in South Korea. We have Seoul SEL, Seoul for South Korea. You can see the location. Here we have Yellow Sea and South China. You can South Korea. You can see the location. After east to China we have Yellow Sea, and there we have South Korea. In South Korea we have an airport, Incheon Airport, and code is ICN in Incheon Airport in Seoul, SEL for Seoul, SEL for Seoul. After Seoul we have Kuwait. Here we have Kuwait in Kuwait, Kuwait City in Kuwait, code is KWI for Kuwait. Then Beirut. Here we have Beirut in Lebanon. We have Beirut in Lebanon. BEY for Beirut. Then Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. You can see the location. Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. KUL is the code for Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. Then we have Kathmandu in Nepal. KTM is the code. You can see the location. KTM is the code for Kathmandu. Muscat, we have MCT, Muscat in Oman, we have MCT the code. You can see the location. Here is Gulf of Oman, and here we have Muscat in Oman. MCT is the code. In Pakistan we have Karachi and Islamabad. For Islamabad, code is ISB, and for Karachi, code is KHI. In Philippines, we have Manila. Manila Airport, MNL is the code for Manila. Then we have Doha. Doha. Here we have in Qatar, Doha, DOH is the code. You can see the location. Here we have Bahrain and Qatar. In Qatar, Doha, DOH. DIA is also an airport in Qatar. Then we have KHV in Far East Russia. We have Khabarovsk in Far East Russia. You can see the location. North of China in East. Okay, this is North Korea, and here we have Far East Russia. Khabarovsk, KHV is the code. Next, get back to Saudi Arabia in Middle East. Here we have Saudi Arabia. In Saudi Arabia, you'll have RED for Riyadh, RED for Riyadh, and Jeddah, JED for Jeddah. Okay, RED for Riyadh and JED for Jeddah in Saudi Arabia. Then we have Singapore. Here we have Singapore, south of Malaysia. Code is SIN for Singapore. Then Colombo in Sri Lanka, south of India. We have Colombo. CMB is the code for Colombo, CMB. Then we have DAM for Damascus. In Syria, we have Damascus. DAM is the code. Then in Thailand, we have Bangkok. BKK for Bangkok. ANK for Ankara in Turkey. You can see the location. Here we have Turkey, and Ankara in Turkey we have ANK. Next is Abu Dhabi in UAE. You can see the location in Persian Gulf. You have UAE, Abu Dhabi AUH, and Dubai in UAE, DXB for Dubai and AUH for Abu Dhabi. Then we have in Austria, Vienna. You can see the location. Here we have Austria and city of Vienna, VIE for Vienna. Then we have Brussels in Belgium, Brussels, BRU for Brussels in Belgium. Then we have SOF, Sofia in Bulgaria. You can see the location. Here we have Greece. North of Greece we have this Bulgaria. In Bulgaria you will find Sofia, SOF. Then in Cyprus we have NIC, Nicosia in Cyprus. You can see this island country, Cyprus. Here we have two airports, Larnaca LCA in Cyprus, and NIS for Nicosia in Cyprus. Then we have in Czech Republic, PRG. Here you can see the location. East of Germany we have Prague. PRG is the code. Then we have Copenhagen in Denmark. You can see north of Germany we have Copenhagen in Denmark, and code is CPH. Helsinki Airport in Finland, we have Helsinki, HEL is the code. Now next go to Paris. Paris code is PAR. Here we have Paris in London, PAR. In Paris, you'll find Charles de Gaulle Airport, Charles de Gaulle, CDG, Charles de Gaulle Airport, and Orly Airport in Paris, ORY. Then we have Marseille in France, Marseille, MRS for Marseille. In Germany, we have Berlin, BER for Berlin in Germany. In Berlin, you'll find Tegel Airport, TXL for Tegel. Then we have Tempelhof, THF for Tempelhof, SXF for Schönefeld Airport, SXF for Schönefeld Airport in Berlin. Then we have Frankfurt in Germany, FRA is the code for Frankfurt. Then we have in Greece, Athens, ATH is the code. You can see the location. Here we have Cyprus, here we have Greece, Athens, ATH is the code. BUD for Budapest in Hungary. We have BUD for Budapest in Hungary. You can see the location between Austria and Romania. We have Hungary, and in Hungary, Budapest, we have code BUD. Then we have Keflavik, KEF in Iceland. We have two airports. Other is this Reykjavik in Iceland, REY for Reykjavik and KEF for Keflavik. Here in Iceland we have these airports. Then we have in Ireland, Dublin. You can see the location. Here we have Ireland Ireland, and in Ireland you will find Dublin, DUB is the code. Moving to Rome, we have ROM, the code for Rome city, ROM. In Rome, you'll find Leonardo da Vinci Airport. FCO is the code for Leonardo da Vinci Airport. Okay. Then we have Ciampino in Rome. Okay. Sorry. Ciampino, CIA. You can see the spellings. Here we have CIAMPINO, and CIA is the code for Ciampino in Rome, in Italy. Then we have in Italy Milan. Milan code is MIL. In Milan you can find Linate Airport, LIN for Linate, and MXP for Malpensa Airport, MXP for Malpensa. Then we have Malta. Here you can see the location of Maltese Island, Malta. Here we have Valletta Airport, and code is MLA for Malta. We have Valletta Airport, code is MLA. In Netherlands we have Amsterdam, AMS, Rotterdam, RTM, Amsterdam, AMS, and Rotterdam, RTM. Then in Norway, Oslo, OSL for Oslo in Norway. You can see the location. Here we have Denmark and Norway. Norway we have Oslo, OSL. Then Warsaw in Poland. You can see east of Germany we have Warsaw in Poland. WAW is the code. Then going to Portugal, we have Lisbon, LIS in Portugal, LIS for Lisbon in Portugal. Then we have Otopeni, OTP in Romania. OTP is the code for Otopeni in Romania. In Romania, we also have Bucharest. Bucharest, BUH is the code. Then in Russia, we have Moscow, MOW is the code for Russia. Russia's Moscow. In Moscow, we also have SVO airport. Then LED in Russia for St. Petersburg. LED for St. Petersburg in Russia. You can see the location. Here we have Moscow, and here we have Russia, St. Petersburg. LED is the code. Then Madrid in Spain, we have Madrid. Then we have Barcelona, BCN. You can see the location. Here we have Barcelona, city of Barcelona. BCN is the code. Then Arlanda. Here we have in Stockholm, this airport, ARN in Arlanda, Stockholm. Stockholm code is STO for Stockholm. Then in Australia, then we are going to Switzerland. In Switzerland, you'll find Bern, BRN for Bern in Switzerland. In Switzerland, you also have, you can see, here we have Bern in Switzerland. Then we have Zurich. Here we have Zurich. ZRH is the code, and GVA for Geneva. GVA for Geneva. After Switzerland, let's go to Istanbul in Turkey. Here we have Istanbul in Turkey. You can see the location. Turkey, Istanbul. IST is the code for Istanbul. IST. Then we have in London. London code is LON. And in London you'll find LHR, London Heathrow, LHR, and London Gatwick, LGW. LGW for London Gatwick. Then we have Edinburgh. Edinburgh in Stockholm we have Edinburgh. EDI is the code for Stockholm's Edinburgh. Then we have in Africa, Algeria. You can see this location, Algeria. ALG is the code. In Africa we have Luanda, LAD in Angola. You can see the location. Here we have Angola. Luanda, LAD is the code. YAO for Yaoundé in Cameroon, Yaoundé. Then we have Douala also in Cameroon. DLA is the code for Douala. Then we have BZV for Brazzaville in Republic of the Congo, BZV. Then we have ABJ for Abidjan in Ivory Coast. ABJ is the code. In Ivory Coast we also have this ASK, another airport. Then going to Djibouti. Here we have Djibouti near to Gulf of Aden, near to Ethiopia. Djibouti code is JIB, Djibouti. Then we have in Egypt near to Suez Canal. CAI, Cairo, Cairo in Egypt. Here we have Cairo, location of Cairo near to Suez Canal. CAI is the code for Cairo in Egypt. Then we have Addis Ababa, Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. ADD is the code for Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. Then we have LBV, LBV for Libreville in Gabon, Gabon. LBV. NBO for Nairobi in Kenya. You can see the location of Kenya. Here we have Nairobi, NBO, and Mombasa also in Kenya. MBA, MBA for Mombasa in Kenya. Here we have Nairobi, NBO, Mombasa, MBA. Then we have MLW. Here MLW for Monrovia in Liberia. We have Monrovia in Liberia. Then we have TIP, Tripoli in Libya. Tripoli, you can see the location. Here we have Libya, Egypt. Near to Egypt we have Libya, and Tripoli is near to Tunisia. TIP is the code. Then going to Mauritius, here we have Port Louis, MRU, Mauritius. You can see the location. Near to Reunion Island, we have Mauritius, MRU. Then we have RBA, RBA, Rabat in Morocco, RBA. Also in Morocco, we have there Casablanca, CAS is the code for Casablanca. Then we have MPM, MPM, Maputo in Mozambique, Maputo. Here you can see the location, Maputo in Mozambique. This is Mozambique, eastern coast of Africa. Then we have WDH, WDH for Namibia. We have WDH. Then we have LOS in Nigeria. For Lagos in Nigeria, we'll have LOS, the code for Lagos in Nigeria. We have LOS. ABV for Abuja in Nigeria. ABV for Abuja in Nigeria. Then we have Kigali, city of Kigali in Rwanda. Kigali, KGL. Here you can see the location of Rwanda. KGL, Kigali. Then we have DKR. DKR for Dakar in Senegal. Then we have FNA, FNA, Freetown, Sierra Leone, Sierra Leone, FNA, Freetown, Sierra Leone. Then we have in South Africa, Pretoria, PRY for Pretoria in South Africa. Then we have Cape Town. You can see the location of Cape Town, CPT, CPT. Here we had Pretoria. CPT for Cape Town, PRY for Pretoria. Also in South Africa we have Johannesburg. Here we have Johannesburg, JNB for Johannesburg. Then we have KRT for Khartoum in Sudan. You can see the location near to Eritrea. Here we have Sudan, Khartoum. Then we have DOD, DOD for Dodoma in Tanzania. You can see the location. DOD. Also in Tanzania we have Dar es Salaam. Here we have DAR for Dar es Salaam. Then in Tunisia we have Tunis, TUN for Tunis in Tunisia. Then we have LUN. Here we have LUN for Lusaka in Zambia. We have LUN. Then we have HRE, HRE for Harare in Zimbabwe. Here you can see the location. Above South Africa we have Harare, Zimbabwe. Then in Australia you'll find Canberra, CBR, Canberra, Sydney, SYD for Sydney, Melbourne, MEL for Melbourne, Perth, PER, PER for Perth, and here we have Brisbane, Brisbane, BNE. Then we have SUV for Suva. In Fiji we have SUV. In Fiji we also have Nadi, NAN, PPT. Here we have PPT, French Polynesia, Papite, WLG, Wellington in New Zealand. Here we have Wellington in New Zealand, WLG. You can see the location of New Zealand. Auckland in New Zealand, AKL, AKL for Auckland, CHC for Christchurch, CHC for Christchurch, POM, POM for Papua New Guinea, Port Moresby, for Papua New Guinea. You can see the location. Here we have Indonesia, here we have Australia, and here we have Papua New Guinea. And code is POM for Port Moresby International, also called as Jackson Airport. Then we have Canada. In Canada, we have Ottawa, YOW. In Canada, all the codes have first letter Y. YOW for Ottawa, YMQ for Montreal, YUL for Montreal Pierre, YMX for Montreal Mirabel, YYZ for Toronto Pearson International Airport, GOH for Nuuk in Greenland. We have Nuuk, GOH. Then we have Atlanta, Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta, the busiest airport in USA. Atlanta we have ATL. Then we have Boston, Boston, BOS for Boston, ORD for O'Hare International Airport in Illinois. Chicago we have ORD, O'Hare International. MDW for Midway International. In Chicago we have MDW and ORD. Chicago code is CHI. Then we have DFW for Dallas Fort Worth International Airport in Texas. Then we have DAI, Dallas Love Field, DFW, Dallas Fort Worth. Then we have DTW for Detroit, DTW, DTT for Detroit. We have LAX for Los Angeles. You can see the location. Here we have Los Angeles in California. LAX for Los Angeles. MIA for Miami in Florida. MIA, you can see the location. MIA for Miami in Florida. Then we have Newark in New Jersey. Newark. EWR is the code for Newark. NYC for New York. In New York, we have John F. Kennedy Airport in Queens, JFK, and La Guardia Airport, LGA in Queens in New York. Then we have SFO for San Francisco, SFO in California. Then we have WAS for Washington DC, WAS. In Washington we have Seattle, SEA, okay, but in Washington DC we'll have WOAS, the code IAD for Dulles International, IAD. DCA for Ronald Reagan in Washington. Then we have NAS for Nassau in Bahamas, Nassau. BGI, here we have Bridgetown in Barbados, BGI. Then we have San Jose in, here we have SJO, San Jose in Costa Rica, and SJC for San Jose in California. So California, SJC, and Costa Rica, SJO, San Jose. Then we have Havana in Cuba, HAV for Havana in Cuba. GUA for Guatemala, GUA for Guatemala. Here you can see the location. PAP, Port-au-Prince in Haiti. We have PAP in Haiti, Port-au-Prince. TGU for Tegucigalpa in Honduras, TGU for Tegucigalpa. KIN for Kingston, Jamaica. We have KIN. MEX for Mexico. In Mexico we also have ACA, Acapulco International. MGA we have Managua for Nicaragua. Then we have PTY for Tocumen International in Panama City, PTY, Panama City. POS for Port of Spain in Trinidad and Tobago. You can see the location. Here we have POS. AEP for Argentina. We have AEP. Aeroparque International, AEP. Buenos Aires, BUE. Ezeiza, EZE. BSB for Brasilia in Brazil. Then we have GIG in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. We have Rio Gallo Airport. GRU In Sao Paulo, we have Guarulhos. Then we have CGH. CGH again in Sao Paulo, we have Congonhas. Then we have VCP, Viracopos, Campinas International in Viracopos. Campinas, we have VCP in Sao Paulo. Then we have SCL, Santiago in Chile. SCL for Santiago in Chile. Then we have BOG, BOG for Bogota in Colombia. UIO for Ecuador, Quito for Ecuador. CAY, CAY for Cayenne in French Guiana. French Guiana. We have CAY for French Guiana. CAY, Cayenne Airport. ASU, ASU for Paraguay. LIM for Lima in Peru. We have LIM. PBM, PBM for Suriname, Paramaribo, PBM. MVD, MVD we have in Uruguay. Then we have CCS, CCS Caracas in Venezuela. Then we have LAS for Las Vegas. We have LAS for Las Vegas. BOB, BOB for Bora Bora in French Polynesia. SEG, SEG for Seychelles Islands. SEZ यानी SEZ. MCO, MCO for Orlando. In Florida, we have MCO for Orlando. Then we have TPA, TPA for Tampa in Florida. JTR, here we have JTR for Thera. Here we have Santorini, Santorini in Thera Island of Greece. We have JTR. HLP, HLP in Jakarta. CGK in Jakarta. ICN, ICN Incheon in South Korea. Then we have Kyiv Airport in Ukraine. You can see the location near to Russia. We have Ukraine. Kyiv Airport. IEV is the code for Kyiv International, Ukraine. MIA for Miami. Here we have Miami in Florida. Brisbane in Australia. BNE. Here we have VTE for Laos in Vientiane, Vate International Airport in Vientiane, Laos. Then we have Hanoi. Here we have Hanoi in Vietnam, HAN. You can see the location. Here we have Thailand, Laos with Vietnam. In Vietnam, we have Noi Bai International Airport in Hanoi, HAN is the code. In Vietnam, we have Laos, Vate International, VTE, and BWN. Here we have BWN in Brunei. So these were near around 200 airport and city codes from all around the world. Thank you for watching this. Stay tuned to our channel. Keep watching our videos. Keep supporting us. Thank you. Have a great day.